today? Did somebody tell you to come? Hi, my name is Marina, and I'm going to be talking about the psychology and morality of persuasion. First, though, I would like to thank Dr. Jessica McManus and Dr. Chris Collins for letting me apprentice them. Okay. So, choice blindness. In one study, participants were shown two pictures and asked which one they liked better. Once they had chosen, they were given the picture and asked exactly why they liked it. Everybody answered with equal certainty. Okay, so what's the point? The point is that half the people were given the picture they did not choose. Using the methods like this, can somebody be convinced to do something they don't want to do? Is it morally acceptable to use these techniques? Let's look at some more. You might know some of these, but do you know why they work? Comparing your side with another side has two benefits. First, by giving information on the other side, you make people less likely to research it. And second, by comparing your product to a lower quality or more expensive products, yours looks better and cheaper. Giving time or amount limitations makes people want to get it more, as people automatically assume when there's less of something, it is better. And giving small gifts, such as candy or free samples, makes people feel as if they owe something. Now, let's look at reasoning. Langer's Xerox experiment studied people in line for a copier. The experimenter would ask people to let her move up in line in one of three ways. The first way was simply, I have 5 copies. Can I use the copier? This resulted in a 60% compliance. The second way was, I have 5 copies. Can I use the copier because I'm in a rush? This resulted in a 94% compliance. And the third and most surprising way was the placebo. I have 5 copies. Can I use the copier because I have to make copies? This got a 93% compliance, which encouraged Langer to do more studies, which ended up showing that adding because to your statement makes people more likely to agree with you, even if it is not necessarily a compelling reason. Okay, lastly, we're going to look at concessions. You might have heard to start small, but starting large will actually help you. Say a friend asks another friend for $10, gets refused, asks for $5, and gets the money. This worked for 2 ways. First, reciprocation, which is what we talked about earlier with giving gifts. By backing down from $10 to $5, they made them feel as if the other person had to back down in the only way available to them, giving the money. And second, contrast. The $5 looked like a lot less when compared to the $10. Well, this will get you money now. It will also possibly get you money in the future if the same friend is asked again, because they feel as if they ended the last discussion by agreeing to give you the $5, and so they owe you. So is it morally acceptable to use these techniques in persuasion? Let's look at some people who use them. That's right, just about everybody. So in conclusion, I believe that you can use these techniques as long as what you are promoting is morally acceptable. Thank you.